Hello everyone, welcome to Interview Guide. We have seen during lockdown many people have lost their jobs, freshers are still jobless, many companies have cut down the salaries of their employees. So these people are struggling to manage their earning and their expenses. So in this scenario where the job market is really down and people are not getting new jobs, so in this case this full time and part time work from home job opportunities are the best to manage your earnings with your expenses. So in this video we will see what are these various sectors which offer such part-time and full-time work from home opportunities to manage your earning and also to add on to your existing income. This video will be extremely useful to freshers, experienced as well as housewives. So let's start the video.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
There are various categories in which this work from home part-time full-time jobs can be offered by various companies. So these categories are data entry, teaching, reselling, voice and chat support. So you have to decide which is your experience area or which is your interest area, and you will focus on that particular area to grab the opportunity. In this video we will focus on the category data entry and various part-time full-time work from home jobs from the data entry side. Our next video will be based on teaching, reselling and voice and chat support category. If you are focusing on the data entry work, full-time, part-time or work from home, then you have to be very careful if the companies offering this job are genuine or fraud. So in this video we are discussing only about the genuine work which the genuine company is offering. So there are various sources, or you can say there are various companies which offers you a data entry work which you can do either full time or part time, and also you can do the work from your home. In this area there are various companies, foreign companies or Indian companies which are having their own websites. From there you can register and they will offer you the data entry work. Also there are some Facebook groups in which this data entry kind of jobs are posted. Also there is freelancing area which is also helpful in this data entry work. So first we will start with the genuine sites. So as I said, there are many fraud companies in this sector which promises you to offer a data entry work, but they will ask some investment from you. So ideally you should look out for the websites which does not ask any investment, and you can directly start working and you can gain the income. So these are the genuine sites and these are really good sites which offer you the income without any investment. So free you can work and you can get paid for your work. So these websites are first People Per Hour, then golans.com, then rev.com, then scribby.com. You can simply go to the Google and you can write this site's name, then their website page will open where you have to register yourself and you can apply for the data entry job. These sites are genuine sites and they will offer you good income in terms of data entry work done by you, and this will not ask for any investment from your side. Coming to the next source, that is Facebook job groups. If you are having profile on Facebook, then you can join various jobs groups on the Facebook. In those jobs groups, along with your regular job, some data entry kind of job also gets posted. So you can also apply there, but again you have to check if the job is genuine or not, and it is asking for investment or not. If it is asking for investment, then it can be a fraud company. Now coming to next area is freelancing. Freelancing also offers you a good data entry jobs. So in this area you can do your own work or you can register yourself on freelancing.com, that is freelancer.com. So by means of your own work is you have to market your work, you have to ask for work to various people. So you can do this by posting your projects or your experience through various social media channels like Facebook, Instagrams, Facebook groups, Facebook page. You can create your own Facebook page and there you can post your work and you can reach out to people for more and more work, but you have to market yourself, so it is bit tough. Or you can register yourself on freelancer.com. So freelancer.com has various domains where you can get the work, like research, analysis, testing, development, academic projects, and data entry, and so many areas you can get work there. But here you have to register, and you can register in free only for 1 month. After 1 month you have to pay their registration charges to start with the work. So if you are already having some kind of freelancing experience, then only in that free 1 month you can get the projects. Or if you are not having relevant experience, then you will not get projects, and you have to register by paying some money on freelancer.com. But this is a genuine site which you can think as an option for data entry or any other kind of work. So here how it works is, if you are having some kind of experience, then you should get reviews for yourself from various companies or various individuals which offers the work. So by seeing your review, the employer will reach to you for more projects and more work. So in this way you will get the work on freelancer.com. But if you are not able to manage the review, or you are not having any prior experience, then it is difficult to get work or project on freelancer.com. So in that case, your paid registration charges will be a loss for you. So this was about the data entry work, where you can work full-time or part-time from work from home, and you can manage your income, your expenses. Also you can add on to your existing ongoing income through this kind of opportunities. So our next video we will see what are the various part-time, full-time and work from home jobs in the sector, like teaching, reselling, voice and chat support. So please like the video and share and subscribe to get the more such notifications from Interview Guide. Thank you.